steps across the floor. Shelves of stories all around. A peaceful place where books are found. Quiet voices, gentle hands, turning pages as we planned. Books are treasures, clean and neat. Reading makes our day complete. Rows of books from floor to high. Stories waiting close nearby. Careful hands pick books to read, choosing just the ones we need. Quiet voices, gentle hands, turning pages as we planned. Books are treasures, clean and neat. Reading makes our day complete. Library card in hand today, scanning books the careful way. Place the book and watch the light. Checking out is done just right. Quiet voices, gentle hands, turning pages as we planned. Books are treasures, clean and neat. Reading makes our day complete. Story time begins to start. Listening with mind and heart. Games and learning, fun to share. Library friends are everywhere. At the learning stations we share, taking turns with gentle care. Computers, puzzles, games to try. Learning helps our minds grow high. Readers sitting all around. Quiet voices, soft and low, giving space and showing care. Respect for others everywhere. When it's time to bring them back, books return upon the rack. Right on time we always do, so others read the stories too. Clean hands help the pages stay. Safe and tidy every day. Food and drink stay far away. Books stay clean when used this way. Libraries help us learn and grow. So many things to read and know. Quiet voices, gentle care. Happy readers everywhere. Libraries show how much we care.